What's up, everybody? We got a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Show you how to pop the door panel off. Alright, first up, I'm going to remove this little trim piece here. Just going to get behind it with a screwdriver or a little tool such as this hook tool. Pops right off. And you got, let's see if I can show you there. We've got a little slot where you can get your hook tool in that will expose the Phillips screw behind there. So you got your Phillips screw, get that removed. And you've got another one right here. The little slot is there. Get that popped out. It will expose another Phillips screw right in there. Get that popped out. You've got this plastic trim clip. Just press the center of it in. It should come out of there just like that. Alright, so now that that stuff's out, I'm going to go ahead and just give it a nice yank from here. Or you can get a pry bar, slip under here, start popping it loose. So we'll try that. I'm going to try this plastic trim removal tool first, since that's what was handy. And there we go. Kind of had to put my foot on the corner there and got my fingers behind it and just pulled real hard. Okay, so it's loose. We'll lift up on it, give it a wiggle, and the whole door panel is loose. Now we're going to come behind. Got this wire harness here. Going to press the tab on the bottom side. Let me look at it. All right, from the back side I pressed these little tabs, just push this through so I could get to this and show you. It's got two buttons to push on the sides. So you're going to pinch that. Or does it have two? Nope, just the one. Alright, so you're going to push that, pull on this unit, and it'll separate. Alright, so this little bit slides backwards and then it will come out. You can see that this sleeve slides. When you plug it in, you're going to push this forward and snap it in. When you remove it, you're sliding that sleeve back and then pulling it out. Alright, now it's loose. Door panel is off. Reverse the process to get it back on there. If I helped you out today, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.